Yeah, how are you doing today? My name is Roosevelt Vargas. Let me write down my name, Roosevelt Vargas. And today we're gonna show you how to make money with the Herbalife opportunity, okay? First, you need to know that this opportunity is open for everyone, and we just do three basic things, okay? Thing number one that we do, okay? We just get customers that are willing to use our products, okay? I'm gonna make it very simple so you can understand it. Number two, you're gonna get distributors just willing to distribute the products. Very simple. And third, we're gonna get a group of distributors willing to teach other people. I call it teaching to teach other people, okay? So, very simple. Let's start it with with option number one of how making money. I call it, it's called sales, but I don't call it like a regular sales, like the sales you doing, like selling. I don't see it that way. I see it as a recommendation. It's based recommendation. It's basically based on you using the products and getting real great results, okay? So the company, in the first way, once you're a distributor, you have the opportunity to earn 25% or 35% or 42% or even 50%, okay? So in an average, a person that is willing to use our products, they spend around $300, okay? Just for the exercise, I'm gonna do it that way, okay? But if you retail $300, okay, you recommend to a friend or someone that is seeing your results, and you are at 25%, that means $300 times 25%, that equals to $75, right? Then we have the other option is $300 times 35%, that's equal $105, right? Or you can be at 42%, so it's $300 times 42%, that's equal $126, and the last one is 50%, so it will be $300 times 50%, that's $150, right? So imagine that you can just create as much income as you may want to do it, and you can retail these products are recommended via you can do it online, you can do it using your Go Herbalife website, that we're gonna teach you how to do that. You can do it with your friends, family and relatives, and you can do it in our nutritional clubs. There's different ways of doing it. Just take in consideration that Herbalife, it's a nutrition program. And by doing that, it's food that people use it, it's gone, and they need to repurchase it again, okay? So, if you put it this way, what about making just 10 customers? Times 10 customers. If you're here, you're gonna be making 750. If you're here, gonna be making times 10 customers is gonna be at $1,050. Here is gonna be $1,260, or this one gonna be $1,500, right? And people just go directly and make the purchases in the places. We're gonna explain to you how it works once you decide to be part of the team, okay? Number two, it's what I call wholesale, okay? Wholesale is it's a very nice method of making money, and I want you just to picture yourself that you are in this percentage, okay? Anyone can earn money. I'm gonna show you right here how you can create a group of distributors willing to do exactly the same thing. But imagine for this moment that you are at 50%, right? This is you are at 50%, and then you're serving some customers, right? I'm gonna do like in green. That's gonna be the customers you're serving. But then you will get another distributors, okay? Imagine you got distributor A, distributor B, and you have distributor C, okay? Let's put this one. This guy is at 42%. He's very excited. Now he has one distributor that is at 25, and then he has another distributor that is at 35%, right? You have another distributor. This one is at 35% discount or earnings, and this one is at 25. Okay, so to make this is going to be very simple. Just imagine this team by itself. This team is selling $1,000, right? If the team is selling $1,000, you know, 42% is going to be divided in all these groups. This guy will get 25. This guy will get 25 in the people of customers that they're serving. This guy is getting the splits. That is 17% of this team. This one is getting 7%, sorry, from this team. But you are getting 8% of the whole team. That means that if it was $1,000 all this, you will get $80, right? If this guy retails by himself 1,000 volume points, his earnings are $350 and you get $150. That is the 15% difference. And if this one do the same thing, retails 1,000, and this one earns 250, and the difference 250 goes to you. Okay, that's very simple. That's the way you start creating a team. Okay, now one of the ones that make me stay in the company is number 3, and number 3 is what I call royalties. I don't call it that way. It was invented. It's called royalties, and I like it because it opens the third way that is teaching people to teach. Okay, in the first one, you just get customers. You see, this is the first way of making money. You do it by getting customers. The number 2 is by getting customers and distributors. You see it? But number 3 is when you teach other people to teach. Okay, and listen to me. And this is what I was explaining. They explained me a plan. It says, imagine, guys, and time is it's a factor that may change depending on the people, but this is what they teach me. They said, what about Roosevelt? If you get 5 in 5 years, right? 5 people that you teach that are willing to get customers, get distributors, and to teach other people to teach. If they duplicate, they get another 5 that gets another 5, okay? That's what they teach me, and I just bought this promise. And they said, I'm gonna get in this way, it's gonna be making 5% of royalties of that team. And this is how it works, okay? This is you, right? This is you right here. And you're at 50%, right? You have some customers, right? That you're serving. And you have some distributors that probably you're serving, right? You duplicate yourself and imagine that you get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 people that are at 50%. When you're in this level, it's what is called supervisor. Means that you have supervision. You see more than these people over here, okay? You see a little more. You see more advantage. You see this better to earn 50% than earn less than that, okay? But in the example, you have your friend A, your friend B, your friend C, your friend D, and your friend E. Or probably you get it through online, a website, you did an ad or whatever, okay? Those people, you get them directly, right? And these people, they pass this stage and they start doing exactly the same thing. So now you have 5, and these 5 duplicate and get another 5, right? So they get F, G, H, L, and M, right? To put you an example. This guy is gonna do exactly the same thing. They're gonna get 5. This one is gonna get 5. This one is gonna get 5, and this one is gonna get 5. Now, at this moment, you have 5 children in the business. You have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 grandchildren in your business. If you teach this the same thing, this one you have another 5. So it means in this group you have 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. This is a group of 25. Here you have 25, right? here you have 25, here you have 25, and here you have 25. So in total, you have in your third level 125 great-grandchildren. That means that 125 plus 25 plus 5, it's 155 people in your group that are doing this, okay? Herbalife says that you're gonna get 5% commission, okay, of each of them with their team, you know? So you're gonna get 5% of each of them. That's an average of $150 per supervisor that you have active. So that's gonna be 155 people, right? Supervisors, and you're gonna get paid around $150 per person that is active. So we're gonna see it that way. Let me go and do my calculations right here. So it's gonna be 155 times 150, that's $23,250 that we have in potential income that you can make in a 5-year term. You decide. Now, life is about decisions, okay? And you have two plans, Plan A and Plan B. I'm gonna call our plan Plan B. This is what you're gonna get. 5 years of work, hard work, okay? Creating this team and getting an income, a potential income of $23,250, okay? Now you need to believe it's possible, or the regular Social Security plan that is around 40 years of work and the average income in retirement is $1,300, okay? Let's put it this way, but you make the decision. Don't put it that is 5 years, put it 10 years. Don't put it this, put it 5,000. What of the options are better? You say, you choose A or B. It's not my decision, it's your option, okay? Now, I'm gonna explain to you number 4. Number 4 is called bonuses, bonus, right? Could be 2%, could be 4%, could be 6%, or even 7%. That means when you start creating more income, more people in your group, at this moment you will get not only 5% of each of them, right? You will get 5% plus 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2% up to the infinite, right? Or if you get to the 4 level, then they switch this 2 for a 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 to the infinite. Or if you get to this level, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 to the infinite. Okay? So now what you need to do, you need to make a decision, my friend. You need to decide. Okay? Either you have faith in yourself and believe that you can do it, or either you just do nothing. But if you're ready to start, this is what you need to do. Number 1, you can send me an email to maferoosevelt@gmail.com. Okay? If you are in USA, you can send me a text message to 407-276-0026, or you can send me a WhatsApp in the same number, okay? I invite you as well, if you use Instagram, visit us at MAFE_ROOSEVELT. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of the opportunity. We're going to be very happy to guide you, to walk you through to the next level. So once you watch this, send me the information and we're going to be sending you the next video to start. Thank you. Have a great day, guys.